Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celeb happenings happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Tasha declares love for singer Tekno. Reality star Tasha has taken to social media page to declare her love for Tekno. Tasha is in love with Tekno. A former Big Brother Naija housemate, Tasha Akide, has expressed her love for Nigerian musician Tekno. The reality TV star took to her Twitter account to reveal that she has a soft spot for the Pana hitmaker. An excited Tasha taking to her Twitter wrote Tekno's name with the love emoji beside it as an indication of her love for him. She tweeted, Alhaji Tekno. This is also as Tekno had in an earlier post written Tasha's name with some stressed letter indicating interest in the reality star or her activities. So happening today, Nigerian singer Tekno seems head over heels for former Big Brother Naija housemate Tasha. The two have been giving fans a lot of feed on with their latest display of affection on the social media. Although fans are not complaining on the supposed love, however, many would actually like to know what is actually happening. Recently, Tekno took to Instagram to share a cryptic message which only Tasha somehow seems to understand. She responded to the message with yes and added a love emoji to it. No one knows where the two are driving at, as this could be a true romance or another controversy to catch fans' attention, which is popular in showbiz. In another report, Tasha recently launched an initiative for girls known as Pad for Every Girl, which she uses to distribute sanitary pads to girls, and she has started in Port Harcourt. So guys, what do you think about this love romance between Tasha and Tekno? Let me know what you think in the comment section.